So we just finished installing an entry system. These guys wanted something a little more secure than their old keypad. So we gave them a call and we came out here and we installed this orange door, which is actually a smart door. It has a keypad on the outside, and on the inside, you have an intercom system. You can talk to your visitors, and they can talk to you through the intercom. The old keypad was just for a single door. This is for a double-door entryway. And these guys live in a really nice neighborhood in South California. Actually, it's in Aliso Viejo. If you're ever in the area, you should check out one of our favorite places. Anyway, we installed this door for them. It's solid wood. We cut down the existing door frame to make it the right size for the new door. And we also installed this really cool brass kickplate. These guys were really happy with the new door. If you're interested in getting an entry system for your home, check out our website, Orange Doors Info. We also have another website, orangedoors.com. We'll be happy to help you out.